How to become a web developer. Step 1. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Learn the structure of web pages. Understand tags, elements, and attributes. Practice creating simple web pages. Understand the basics of HTML Semantic, HTML, HTML Forms, Multimedia and Embedding, HTML5 Features. Step 2. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. Master styling and layout techniques. Learn about selectors, properties, and values. Experiment with CSS frameworks like Bootstrap. Learn the fundamentals of CSS, CSS Syntax and Selectors. Box model, typography and fonts layout, and positioning styling links and lists, CSS Flexbox and Grid responsive web design, CSS Transitions and Animations, CSS Preprocessors. Step 3. JavaScript. Dive into the fundamentals of programming. Learn about variables, data types, and control flow. Understand DOM manipulation for dynamic web interactions. Learn the fundamentals of JavaScript. 1. JavaScript basics. 2. Functions and scope. 3. Arrays and objects. 4. DOM manipulation. 5. Error handling and debugging. Explore intermediate JavaScript concepts. Choose your path front-end. Development. Focus on building user interfaces. Learn popular front-end frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. Practice responsive design and cross-browser compatibility. Back-end development. Explore server-side programming languages like JavaScript, Node.js, Python, Ruby, or PHP. Master databases, MySQL, MongoDB, and APIs. Understand concepts like routing, authentication, and security. Full-stack development. Combine front-end and back-end skills. Learn to develop end-to-end web applications. Understand how different components interact. Step 3. Build projects. Create simple projects to reinforce your learning. Build a personal portfolio website. Develop a basic CRUD, create, read, update, delete application. Contribute to open-source projects on platforms like GitHub. Participate in hackathons or coding challenges. Join developer communities for feedback and support. Choose an area of interest: e-commerce, gaming, social networks. Build projects related to your chosen niche. Continuously update your skills to stay relevant. Step 4. Learn continuously. Stay updated. Follow blogs, podcasts, and forums for industry news. Keep abreast of new technologies and trends. Attend webinars, workshops, and conferences. Expand your horizons. Experiment with different tools and frameworks. Explore related areas like mobile development or DevOps. Pursue certifications or advanced courses if necessary. Network. Connect with other developers on LinkedIn, Twitter, or local meetups. Seek mentorship from experienced professionals. Share your knowledge and experiences with others. Remember, becoming a web developer is a journey filled with learning and growth. Stay curious, keep practicing, and never stop exploring new possibilities. Good luck with your exciting adventure in the world of web development. Thank you.